How much water do you drink daily? How much milk do you need for tea? How much sugar do you take in coffee? How much salt should I add? How much rice do you want to cook? How much money do you have? How much time will it take? How much information did you collect? How much advice did the teacher give? How much furniture do you have at home? How much luggage are you carrying? How much oil do we need to buy? How much butter do you use for breakfast? How much flour is needed for the recipe? How much juice do you want? How much tea should I pour for you? How much coffee do you drink every day? How much work do you have today? How much noise is coming from the street? How much traffic was there in the morning?